Now it started recording. You see this, there is some circle symbol is there, right?
Yeah.
It means recording is started. So whenever I didn't started recording, just you can just inform me. I will start video recording. Then I will upload this video into YouTube immediately.
Okay. Yeah. And if you have anything else, just if you share, that should be fine.
Yeah, sure, fine. I have some videos I can share you today. It's already uploaded into, YouTube. Just I will give you the links.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. This is the concept where, like, we had discussed last time, right? Like, extends keyword, by using extends keyword so that we can import one class properties into other class properties. And also we have, last time we saw the package, right? Com dot sub jpm something. So, like, just to create, to organize the folder structure so that we can keep all related classes into one folder. So this is the main purpose of package. And whenever you are trying to import one class into another package, we have to use import statement. Import com dot xyz dot a. So basically we are in B. So we are trying to import class A from this package com dot xyz. So both are in different package. Class B is in different package and class A in different package. So that in that case we are trying to use import statement, and we are importing the other classes into some different package. So that is the purpose of import statement. So this is also we discussed, right? Okay. So for it is fine. Now today I will not take. I will take one simple concept. I will explain one of the simple concept. Java. So just I'm trying to create one Java project. Just project name I had given object class.
Okay.
Okay. Finish it. Okay. Go to Windows. Just select navigator. Okay. So inside SRC there is no classes. So just what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to create a new class. The class name is I'm giving manager. Just I created one simple class, and there is no packages here. Okay, what I want to do, I want to create a public static void main method. So I don't want to type public static void main. Just what I will do, just I will type main control space bar. So it will give one small menu. Just select that one and press enter. So I got a default method. So again, after that, I want to create another class called A in the same SRC. Just class name is A. So here nothing is there. Okay. Class A is there, but inside that nothing is there. And see here, and inside public static void main, I want to create an object for class A. So how to create an object? A obj equal to new A. So this is the way to create an object, right? This is, I think you also know, right? How to create an object. Class name obj equal to new A. So this is the way to create an object. Okay. So after that, what I want to do, I want to print some statement. So system.out.println, I am trying to print the object value here. I am not writing any static content, just I am trying to print the object. Let me run it and we will see what is the output we will get. You do see here what is the output we got? A at the rate of
Some integers.
some alphanumeric. Basically it's a hexadecimal.
hexadecimal, yes.
Yes. Okay. So how we were getting this one? So now I will run second time. So here 15 dB something is there, right? This number.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will run second time and let's see the results. See, sometime basically it will change. This number will change. Okay. So how this number is generating? So that is the question. So what is how at the rate of is coming? How class A, I mean A is coming? So let's suppose whenever you are trying to print this object, right? So this object, what this println method will do, it is trying to call the dot toString method. So how toString is coming, let's suppose go back to our class. So this is our class, right?
Okay.
So inside our class, nothing is there, everything is blank. Okay, just control space. Control space is, did you see here there is so many methods is there, it's displaying toString, hash code, finalize, equals, all those things. So how these methods are coming? If you see here, nothing is there, but whenever you are trying to press control space bar, we are saying there is so many methods. So for every class, whatever we are trying to write is subclass of object class.
Okay.
So object class, it's part of JDK, and this is superclass of all classes. So if you open this object class, right? Let me open it. So did you see here? This is a class basically. It is part of JDK. So inside this, let me go to toString. So inside this object class, there is a method called toString. There is the toString. Yeah. So this is the toString method. See, whenever you are trying to print this object value, so indirectly this println method, what it will do, whatever object you are trying to give, it will call the toString method. Okay. So inside our class A, there is no toString method, but what we are trying to do, we are extending the object class.
Object class.
Okay. Even though you are not writing this statement, compiler will add this one. What compiler do? Once after converting this a.java into a.class, compiler will add this statement. So whenever you are trying to extend object A, then whatever is there inside object, object class, everything will be imported into class A. So in that case, the one method is toString method. So this is the toString method. Just I will copy from here and I will paste it here. So this is one of the toString method. You got it from object class. So the first one is what it is returning. First one is get class dot get name. So what it will give, it will give current class name. What is the current class name?
Yes.
A. Okay. So this is the comment. Okay. Current class name is A. After that, what it is adding? It is adding some static content. So it will come. It look like this at the rate of. So after that, did you see here? There is some integer dot 2 hexadecimal is there. So what it will get, So this is an object, right? We are creating an object, right? So this object we have to store into some memory location inside your hard disk, inside your RAM. Inside your RAM, we need to save this object into some location. So that is a memory location, right? So what it will do, this part will give inside the RAM, this object is created and it will give the memory location.
Okay.
And it will give memory location means it's hexadecimal. You will get like this, sorry. This is a number. You may get anything randomly. So right, RAM every time behind the screen, it is cleaning it. So that is the fund of this. So now I will run again. Let me see whether you will get same number or some different number. Now I think it's look like some different number. So whenever you are trying to print the object, so it will try to get the class name at the rate of after that. corresponding memory location.
Okay.
Okay, let's suppose, so if you have not overridden the toString method, so you will get same thing. Let's suppose what you are trying to do, toString method. So this is the toString method. Okay, so here, right, what I'm trying to do, I'm returning my name. Now what output you will get here? So inside a class toString method, I have overridden implementation, I changed. So now what I supposed to get as part of this main output?
The name.
Yes, correct. This is my name. So if you will not override, so the default implementation is there from in object class. So the default implementation is this is the one. So it will execute and it will return this statement. If you don't want to print this class name at the rate of hexadecimal, then we have to override the toString method. So this is the default toString method. Just write whatever you want, XYZ. Then go back to this class and just print it. So you will get XYZ, you will not get class A at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is clear, right?
Okay. So actually, my question is that actually when we are trying to create an object
Okay.
and with another classes,
Uh-huh.
suppose is A, so
Okay.
it produces some default. So is only case for the toString or something for
Yeah, I can remove the toString also. So indirectly, whenever you are trying to print an object value, so it will call toString method.
so the object is this actually is not declared, you know.
Object is we are creating here, right? Object A obj equal to new abj. It's
Okay,
already declared. We are declaring the object value.
we did create the variables. Suppose
Uh-huh.
is whether it's integer or the
Okay,
string.
that is also fine. Let's suppose. So I am adding one integer x equal to 10. Integer y equal to 90. So I added two variables. Okay, after that, what I did when I have overridden the toString method. Okay, two variables and there is toString method I have overridden. So after that, I'm printing. I mean, just I'm running this program again. So again XYZ. So whenever you are trying to print an object, so it will call toString method, and toString method is returning XYZ. That's all. So if at all if you want to retrieve the variables, then you have to object dot, then call the corresponding variables x.
Okay, got it.
Then you will get your value 10. So that is the way. If at all if any methods is there, let's suppose I will write my own method. Public integer get sum. So what I will return x plus y. I'm returning. So this is my own method. This is a default toString method I have overridden. Now what I will do, I want to call my own method get sum.
Okay.
Now I will get sum of the two variables. It's returning some 100. What is this? 90 plus 10, 100. Yeah. So this toString method you are trying to get from object class. So inside this object class, some default implementation is there. But what we are trying to do here we are trying to override the default implementation.
Okay.
So this is the main purpose of this toString method. Let's suppose now I don't want to return xyz. I want to return x value x colon plus x plus y colon y. So now what we will get output? X colon and corresponding x value, comma y colon and corresponding
Y values.
y value. Okay, now I don't want to call my method. I want to print object value. So x equal to 10, comma y equal to 90.
90.
If let's suppose if there is no, if you didn't implemented the default toString method, just comment it.
Okay.
Now what we will get? So class name at the rate of hexadecimal number, memory location.
Okay. Yeah.
So this one also I will tell you later, like how to get, I mean how we were getting. So first one is, today we saw only one method, toString method. So the toString method is coming from object class. So for every class, super class is object class. Even though if I'm trying to remove, but still you will get same results. See, same results. Why? Because JVM will add this one extends extends object class. Whenever you are trying to compile this class as part of that class, so this statement will come. So this extends object class. So JVM will add these statements. So after that, if you will add these statements, whatever it is there inside the object class, so everything will come to your class.
Yeah.
So this is the main purpose of, I mean, object class. If you go for any interviews, right, they will ask, let's suppose I have written one object and I'm trying to print the object value. I mean, like this. So what is the output? Tell me. They will ask. So then you say class name at the rate of some, what is the at the rate of, after at the rate of, what is that number mean? So they will ask such kind of questions. If you want to, then they will ask immediately, I don't want to print a at the rate of hexadecimal, I want to print my name. So how you can do that one?
Then I have to edit the default one.
Yes. So this is one some simple interview questions. Basically, so many people don't know like why that a at the rate of is coming. People know only a at the rate of some number will come, but they don't know the reason behind the reason. But this is the reason basically. In most of the interviews, people will ask this question.
Okay, I have one question is that actually when you click somewhere else, you get the object that classes. So how did you get this?
Object, yeah, this one, right? Let's suppose go to this one. Just press cursor there. Press Control,
Okay.
and did you see there? You got the hand symbol.
Yeah, yeah.
Whenever you press Control in any class, let's suppose here also, you will get that hand symbol. Press and just click that one, you will get corresponding dot class file.
Okay. Yeah.
And I told you, no, initially when I'm trying to install the JDK, there is some drop downs like Java source. If you want to install this one, you need to select this checkbox. It will take 120 MB memory.
Yeah.
You will get JDK source code.
Source code. Right.
Long back I said, you know.
Yeah, actually what happened,
Mm-hmm.
I came from the vacation, so hopefully I'll see the video. So hopefully
Oh,
you'll.
okay, fine. When
Yeah,
first time when we are trying to install the JDK, right? It will ask an option. Do you want to install JDK source code?
source code. Yeah,
If you
yeah,
want
got
to
it.
install, select the checkbox. It will take 120 memory extra, 120 MB memory extra. So if you enable that option, whenever you are clicking like this, right, you can able to see the source code.
Source code.
If you didn't enable that option when you are trying to install JDK, you are not able to see this code.
Yeah, got it.
So that is the advantage of enabling that option. That is up to you. If you want to see the JDK source code, you can enable. If you don't want to see, you can disable. It's not an harm. It will not give any problem. It will work everything fine. Only thing is whenever you are trying to, I mean, if you want to see the code, then it's required. The same way, let's suppose here. So string is an existing class, right? It is part of JDK package. So if you want to see the string implementation, just place cursor on it, press control, just single click, then you will see the string implementation.
Okay, yeah, that's all the source code that's
Yes,
given.
all the source code as part of JDK, what are the classes is there and their implementation, everything we can able to see by just press control and just single click of the class. You can able to see the implementation of the JDK software classes.
Yes, exactly. What I'll do, so
Yeah.
hopefully I'll try to complete all the videos within tomorrow if I
Yeah.
have classes. So I think it will be okay
Yes.
because
Yes.
I know how to do next
Fine.
because
Fine. Fine. Yeah. Also, I sent you one document, right? Inside the document, some samples, all the class path, how to set, everything is there.
yeah
Just
actually yeah today hopefully from before coming to next classes next tomorrow classes
mhm.
I'll try to finish all these things so and I'll be in the class, I don't
Yeah.
want to
Yeah.
have
Yes, that's fine. Fine. No problem. If you have any doubt for world class, also we can discuss. Not a problem.
yeah tomorrow actually yeah I'll complete whatever we finish actually totally I'll try to complete all these things and if I get something else then we can talk and or move forward next.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Fine. No problem.
Yeah, I know. So
I think
that's it. Yeah,
today
today, yeah, I know
we
it's
wasted
2 hours.
time. Okay. Tomorrow we'll try to cover as much time as possible. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. Fine. We will meet tomorrow same time. Okay.
Yes, have a good day.
Yeah. Good. Thank you. Same time.